Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-sportline. Check out this brand new color change PPF film from our friends at TMaxx. It is called Matte Golden Galaxy. And what's really unique about this color is that at first glance, and if you're not in the sun or if it's out at night, it looks like our very popular satin black PPF film. But this particular new Matte Golden Galaxy colorway has a little bit of gold flake in it, very subtle, that you really can appreciate when the sun hits it. So it just looks a little bit different than your standard satin black or your standard matte black. I think it's a great new color, and I'm happy that TMaxx added it to the lineup. This is the first Cybertruck that's been done in this colorway, so we're really pleased to go ahead and share that with you. Now, this customer did a few more very cool upgrades, starting off with our roof light bar. This is our 50-inch roof light bar that easily detaches, easily installs. You could actually do it yourself, and you can control it from the outlet controls built into our Cybertrucks directly from the screen. Extremely bright, and I think it looks absolutely great, but he took it one step further and added our curved 40-inch light bar that goes right inside the bumper right here for some additional lower lighting. And that is also controlled from the outlet controls in the screen, separately from the roof one. So you can have them both on at the same time or each one separately. To finish it all off, the customer wanted to stay with the 20-inch size tires that came with his Cybertruck. These are the Pirelli tires, but he just didn't like the wheels that came with it, like a lot of us don't. So he chose our very popular 20-inch TCT wheels. These are flow forged wheels, and what's great about them is that they're actually stronger and lighter than the stock wheels that come with the Cybertruck. And just like those wheels, they have aero covers, which you can see is on right now, but they can be removed for a split, very sporty 5-spoke design. I like it with the aero covers on. I think it just looks great on the Cybertruck. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. If you love our content, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. I have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.